Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss a very popular product in the market, Exipure. Exipure is a unique blend of natural ingredients designed to help you achieve healthy weight loss and improve overall well-being. So let's dive in and explore the key benefits of Exipure and how it can help you achieve your health goals. Exipure is above all a carefully formulated mixture of natural ingredients that work together to promote healthy weight loss. It contains a combination of caffeine, guarana, and green tea extracts that have been shown to help speed up metabolism and increase energy levels. This, in turn, can help you burn more calories throughout the day and ultimately reach your desired weight loss goals. In addition to the weight loss benefits, Exipure also contains a blend of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin D3, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, supporting proper brain function, and promoting overall well-being. By incorporating Exipure into your daily routine, you can ensure you are getting the support you need to achieve optimal health. One of the most attractive aspects of Exipure is that it is completely free of artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. This means that you can feel good about using this product, knowing that it does not contain harmful ingredients. In conclusion, Exipure is a powerful natural supplement that can help you achieve healthy weight loss and improve your overall well-being. With its carefully formulated blend of caffeine, guarana, green tea extracts, essential vitamins, and minerals, Exipure is the perfect support system for anyone looking to jumpstart their metabolism and achieve their health goals. So if you're ready to take your health to the next level, consider adding Exipure to your daily routine today.